These parents are desperate for a solution. They've been camping outside the Department of Education district offices in Kuruman for almost a week. Their plea is for their children to get transport to go to school.
We've been waiting here since last week, even today. And it's very awful that the Department of Education, it takes our parent for granted. Because we have suffered years ago there. And then does it mean that our children also must be suffered for this situation?
The
department is not taking us seriously. They think less of us. We want a future for our children so they don't end up like us. Their education comes first.
The
department doesn't seem to care. So our government is not really caring about our people. I don't know if it's because of these learners are from the rural areas. They don't care because of their kids are attending the private schools.
Some pupils are simply staying home, while others have resorted to walking long distances or hiking to get to school.
We are hurting because we are missing out on our studies. When we tell our teachers that there are no buses, they say they don't care. We now had to hike for 70 rand. It's sad that we are struggling to get to school. Our parents have to spend a lot of money for us to get to school.
The Northern Cape Education Department says the previous learner transport provider made unreasonable demands.
The service provider gave notice of his intention to terminate his service 2 days prior to the opening of schools. The service provider submitted a request for an increase of the 2 buses in one of the routes to 200,000 rand each. The increase to 200,000 rand for each of the buses is not only unaffordable but also unreasonable.
The department says it is currently looking for a new learner transport provider and hopes to resolve the crisis by the end of the month. However, parents maintain that their children should not have to bear the brunt of negotiations that they are not part of. Nerea Hlakotza, SABC News, Kuruman, Northern Cape.